In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send to multiple tags in Mailchimp. If you're managing an email marketing campaign, being able to target specific groups of people is an essential feature. Tags in Mailchimp give you the flexibility to organize your audience into smaller, more manageable segments, so you can send tailored emails that really connect with your subscribers. Whether you're running a promotion, sharing updates, or simply personalizing your outreach, using tags effectively can save you time and boost engagement. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll feel confident in sending emails to the exact groups you want. Let's get started. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, navigate to the Audience tab. This is where all your subscriber data lives. It's essentially the heart of your account, and it's where you'll manage the tags you'll use for sending targeted emails. Next, click on Tags. This will take you to a page where you can view and manage all the tags you've created for your audience. If you've already set up tags, you'll see them listed here. Tags are basically labels that you can assign to your contacts, allowing you to organize them based on whatever categories are useful to you, like purchase history, location, or interests. If you don't see the tag you want to use, don't worry. You can create a new one right here. Just click on Create Tag, type in a name for your tag, and save it. It's a good idea to choose a name that's clear and descriptive, so you can easily identify it later. For example, if this tag is for people who signed up for a specific webinar, you might name it Webinar Attendees. Once you've created your tags or confirmed that the ones you need are there, you're ready to move on to the campaign setup. Now, head over to the Campaigns tab. This is where you'll create or edit the email you want to send. If you already have a campaign in progress, you can click on it to edit it. Otherwise, you can start a new campaign from scratch. Either way, you'll eventually find yourself in the campaign editor. In the campaign editor, locate the To section. This is where you'll specify who should receive your email. By default, Mailchimp might have it set to send to your entire audience, but we're going to change that. Click on the Audience dropdown, and from the options, select Tags. Once you've selected Tags, you'll see a list of all the tags associated with your audience. Here's where you can choose the specific tags you want to send your email to. You can select multiple tags if you want to send to more than one group of people. For example, you could select both webinar attendees and newsletter subscribers if you want your email to reach both groups. Take your time to make sure you've selected the right tags, and then click Save to confirm your choice. After that, complete the rest of your campaign setup. This includes things like writing your email content, adding images, and reviewing your design. Be sure to double-check everything to ensure your email looks great and communicates your message clearly. Once everything is ready, it's time to send your email. Just click the Send button, and Mailchimp will deliver your email to all the contacts associated with the tags you selected. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. Sending targeted emails to multiple tags in Mailchimp is a straightforward process, but it's a powerful way to ensure your marketing efforts are focused and effective. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.